way to the Botanical Gardens now. I always wanted to come here, and I live in Berlin for 5 years already and I somehow never managed to come here, so today's the day. I found a nice little place to just sit down and do some sketching. It's pretty quiet here. I love that. It's so beautiful in here. I mean, look at that. This is like paradise. Can you hear that? It sounds like in the jungle or like in the rainforest. All those animals, and you hear so many animals. You don't see them but you hear them. So apparently this is the greenhouse. And I'm gonna go inside right now.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so.
Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and see you. Bye!